half year now, and here's a place shut in a week on Friday. Well, prospects for me are no great for getting a job. I'm a fit and of trade, and here I just do anything, you know, I think. But being 59, I'll have a bit of job getting a job, but I'll have to do my best. And whenever I'm finished next Friday, just leave no stone unturned to try and get something to do. I've enjoyed my 5.5 years here. Guys have been great to work with. I've learned quite a few different jobbies, you know, that I never learned before. And so I've got out behind me now, which could maybe help me to get a job. Out and about, you know. That just takes experience. You never know what will come along. But for 5.5 years here, I've learned quite a lot. But I would say maybe I've got to separate our side. Let's separate the aisle for the meal. And I was here for about 3 years, and then they shifted me. Well, they cut the plant by a third, because there was no fish coming in. So then I was shifted into to do the cooking of the fish, the pressing, and the drying of the meal. So that's been my job. I like it quite. I think it's a great job, you know? And a lot of long hours at that time, but they shoot the past in a flash, really. You know? And I'll miss the place. So I think it'll be a big miss to Broch. I nearly the Broch. A lot of folk went about. You know? They've lost their jobs over here. This place shut down. So I don't know. The roses maybe this is good next year. I get a dirty fish meal in again to feed the roses, but we'll have to go into the manure after this. I don't want manure. But they're fair. A lot of the boys have left and wanted to do. And this last 2 or 3 weeks, there's only a handful left now. Well, a big clear it'll be next week. I believe it'll be a 1 or 2 kept. Just the final tidy up, yeah, before they shut the factory. Yeah. But as I say, it's going to be difficult for me to get another job at my age. Yeah. Well, my trade maybe help along that line, being a fit and stuff. Here's what we're doing anyway for the best.